Hello guys, welcome to Ryan and Claire's World of Fun. Today we are going to share our soft and fluffy pumpkin bread recipe. Here are the ingredients. Cut the pumpkin into small pieces and steam it for about 15 minutes. After that, let the pumpkin cool down and mash it with a fork. Our pumpkins are already steamed, cooled and mashed. Now let's make the dough. Dough time! Let's bake. It's all mixed together. There are no dry lumps. We're going to cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. See you later. Now we are going to knead the dough. You can knead by hands or you can use a machine. Let the dough rise in a warm place until it's doubled in size. Roughly fold the dough and squeeze the air bubbles out just with your fingers. This dough is so soft, so satisfying. Cut it into 6 pieces because we're going to make 6 bread. Okay guys, watch how I shape the dough. So you flatten it, you roll it, you pinch it together, and then tie it up as a knot. Ooh, I'm actually really good at doing this. Here comes the teamwork. You're rolling and pinching, and then you tie a knot. Simple as that. Look how plumpy they are. Next step, we're gonna let them rise to even plumpier. They're ready to go in the oven. Look at how much plumpier they got. They just keep growing and growing, just like children, like me. Brush some butter on while it's still hot. I just want them to be shiny, like a treasure from a sunken pirate wreck. Scrub the deck and make it look shiny. It looks so good. Seriously, I just want to eat one right now. But my mum said, not now, we have to finish the filming.
It's like, not right now, we have to finish the filming.
We need to finish the film. The pumpkin bread has been in the freezer for 3 days and it's still soft and fluffy. It's so soft and fluffy and not too sweet. We love it.
I'll just take this. knife there and take a hole. Actually way better. Yeah. Take a slice. Good.
I love it with butter. Thank you for watching. Try this recipe. You will love it. Stay tuned for our next video. It's still pumpkin bread and it's gonna be hilarious.